Welcome everybody to my IPv4 and most importantly, subnetting series. Seeing as I've got a fair amount of videos and they're kind of long, I want to give this an introduction. What we're going to be doing here is we're going to run through the basics of IPv4 and its address space. We'll run through the binary decimal conversion, which will be super helpful when we do the subnetting. We'll do some quick formulas that are also super helpful for the subnetting. And then we'll get into class C, which is the easier one to work with, because we extend the subnet mask from the third octet, or the third field, into the fourth octet. Then we'll move on to class B, where we take it from the second octet and extend into the third. And finally, we'll finish the series off, or at least the main series off, with class A, where we go from the first octet into the second octet. Now going forward into the future, I'm probably going to add to this series. So keep your eyes on this playlist, as there will be some more things added to it as time progresses. But these are the core concepts that you'll need to know when you want to approach things like, for example, CompTIA Network Plus, or any of the associate level certifications from Cisco, Juniper, or Huawei, etc. As they all expect you to be very proficient with subnetting. And when you progress even further in your networking career, doing things like professional and expert level certifications, they're definitely going to assume that you're competent, comfortable, and know everything about subnetting. And this series will help with obviously understanding how the subnetting works, how to do it, and how to understand it in case you're supporting a network that's already had extensive subnetting being done. You'll be amazed how useful this knowledge can be for troubleshooting IP problems. If you feel like you already know some of the key concepts, you can feel free to jump to the videos that interest you. But if I do reference a video that you haven't watched, and there's something in it that you don't fully understand or grasp, please jump back to that previous video. It might help you. Otherwise though, I hope you enjoy it and hope you get to learn something.